Hello, dear friends. Good evening, and welcome to the practice session 2 of the problems on splitting the middle term of a quadratic polynomial. In yesterday's live stream, I took up 10 problems, and I was really surprised to see some of you who gave the answer very, very quickly for those problems. And I tell you, out of 100 students, only 7 to 8 students, they can find the middle term split factors of a quadratic polynomial so quickly as was done by so many of you yesterday. So that was great. But a lot of people, they failed to answer that correctly. So today's live stream is a little bit difficult for those who have not seen the live stream yesterday. So they need to see that live stream. They need to be aware of the method I told you for obtaining the factors into which the middle term has to be broken. So friends, as the ritual goes, I will start with the warm-up question for today. You need to tell me the middle term split factors and along with the sign, obviously, the negative or the positive sign. And after that, you need to tell me the factors into which the polynomial will be solved. Okay, now this is the warm-up question for today. In the meanwhile, I'll wait for my friends to join in. Okay, this is the question 1. Please post your replies in the form of the factors and preceded by the two numbers into which you will be breaking the middle term. So let's see the first one. 12x squared minus 23x plus 10. Okay, let's see this one. 12x squared minus 23x plus 10. I'm sure a lot of people who saw the live stream yesterday, they will be answering this very, very quickly. So as I wait for the replies to come in and more friends to join in for this live stream. Okay, Vapa, welcome. I'm glad you have joined in from Philippines. A lot of my friends have subscribed the channel from Philippines, and it's so heartening to see that people from all over the world are following the channel. Shankar Narayan, Indu, okay. A lot of people who joined in yesterday, they are here with me today. Surya Prakash. Okay, so those who could not get the factors for this one, breakup of the middle term, they can see the comments there. Keep an eye on the comments. You will have the factors very shortly. Indu has given one answer. I need to confirm whether that is correct or not. Okay, that's great, Bappa. You can get on with the question, and I'm sure you will be greatly benefited by this. Kindly promote the channel in Philippines so that we have more people joining in from there. So very less answers coming in. Warm-up question. I need the factors for this one. Indu has already come up with one answer. Already 35 people have joined in, but only 2 likes. Please take a while to click the like button, friends. And a lot of people have not subscribed to the channel. If you want to get the notifications of all the live streams, kindly click the subscribe button, and along with that you find a bell-shaped icon. You can click the bell-shaped icon. You will get the notifications on your mobile phones regarding all the uploads of the future videos. Okay, Bappa, you've downloaded the videos. You can watch it from the channel anytime as per your convenience. They are all available on the channel. Kindly do share the links with your friends. Okay, let's get on with this one. Now see the method with which I will solve this one. I'll tell you that method. Now 10 can be broken down into two factors, 2 and 5. And 12 can be broken down into 2, 2 and 3. So 2 into 2 into 3 is 12, 2 into 5 is 10. Now whenever I try to solve the question, I told yesterday also, I take the largest number first and the largest number here and then try to convert the 5 factors into 2 factors. So 5 into 3 is 15 and what remains is 2 into 2, 4 into 2, 8. So 15 and 8. Now you see in the first step itself we have the answer there. 15 plus 8 is 23. So it shows that we have arrived at the correct factors and all we need to do now is to take care of the sign. Now see this middle term is negative here. So whenever middle term is negative and the product of first and last term is positive, then both the numbers have to be negative. Now these are the basic rules you need to be aware of. Whenever the another, I'm telling it another time. See, 23 is negative, middle term is negative, but the product of first and last terms is positive. So whenever this condition happens, positive, negative, positive, then both the factors here should be negative because negative and negative added together will give you a negative term, and when they are multiplied together, they will give you a positive term. So let's see 12x square and minus 23 to be broken into minus 15 and minus 8. And further we have plus 10 here. Now very easy after this 12 and 15 the HCF is 3 and x square and x the HCF is x. So we have 4x minus 5 and in these two terms you find that 2 is the HCF. So minus sign is there, so we take minus sign common and 2 is the HCF. So here we have 4x and since we have taken minus common, this sign will be changed to negative. So divide by 2, 10 divided by 2 is 5. So now you see 4x minus 5, 4x minus 5. So 4x minus 5 is the common factor that will be written once and whatever lies outside the bracket, that is 3x minus 2, this will come in the second bracket, giving you the final answer for this question. So only one answer I can see, Hindu minus 15 minus 8 and you got the factors also right there, 3x minus 2 and 4x minus 5. Great work there, Hindu. And I appreciate your presence on the live stream. Yesterday also, you were there for the live stream giving all the correct answers. Fine. Friends, let's have the next question. In the meanwhile, I'm being joined by Purusharth, who was there in the live stream before also. So that's great. So let's have the second question. Okay, this is 6x squared minus 23x minus 55. Okay, I have a term here which is greater. So you need to be careful now while solving this one. Do not commit silly mistakes here. And let's expect more replies this time. So this question has a positive term, then negative, then negative. I told you a rule to solve such questions before also. Okay, fine. We are having some answers here. Hindu again, minus 33 and 10. Let's wait. Purusharth Sankarnarayan saying 33. Okay, 33 is positive. So you have to be sure that you give the correct sign also. Sankarnarayan. Minus 33 and 10 now good. Kiran Minus 33 and plus 10. Very good. Okay, can we have the factors now? After simplification, what factors will you obtain for this one? Let's see. Oh, Tushar, welcome. I was waiting for you. Yesterday you were amazing. Let's see today. And Indu again, in the first question also, Indu was the first one to give me the answer for that. Just waiting for more replies to come in. Okay, I think I have to solve this one now on the board because I need to save time also simultaneously. Fine. See friends, this is 6. 6 means 2 and 3. 2 into 3 is 6 and 55 obviously is 5 into 11. So now we have 4 factors here, 2, 3, 5 and 11. So we need to convert them into 2. So we need to multiply 2, 2 or 3, 1 factors like this and that will give us the answer here. So as I told you, I first go with the large numbers. This is the largest number 11 among these two, and among these two you have 3. So 11 into 3 gives you 33 and 5 into 2 gives you 10. And here is the answer. The problem is resolved in the first step itself. Always, whenever you have a number of factors here and a number of factors here, try to multiply the largest one first. If you don't get the answer, then go for the smaller ones. Normally, it happens, that you get the answer in the larger factors itself. So 33 and 10, you see the difference is 23. So that is what I want. Either the sum has to be 23 or the difference has to be 23. And now for the sign, that is very important, exact sign should be there. See, the product of 6 and minus 55 is negative. So whenever the product is negative, then either of the two, that is either 33 or 10, will be negative. One positive, one negative. So which one will be negative? It depends on the sign of the middle term. Middle term is 23. And what is the sign of 23? It is negative. So whenever the middle term is negative, then the larger factor is negative. So we have a negative 33 here and a positive 10 here, thereby giving me the exact factorization of this. And Indu, you got it right very, very quickly. And amazing today. Followed by Purusharth, then Sankar Narayan, Kiran, very well done, and Shail Patel. Okay, that's those were the 5 people, and Indu gave me the answer for the factorization also very, very quickly. So let's see the factorization part. That should be very easy. See, minus 33 and plus 10. So take 3 common and x common. So you have 2x minus 11. And take 5 common, you have 2x minus 11. So 2x minus 11 is one factor and 3x plus 5 is the other factor for the problem. The same answer which was given by Indu very, very quickly. So we have a 3x plus 5 here. So Purusharth got it right. I think Naveen N, you got one sign wrong there. Please check. Followed by, okay, Rajan Tiwari also, you got one sign wrong there. Sankar Narayan, you got it right. Okay. Person with the ID inspiration for better life. Okay. You solved it because I am taking up quadratic polynomials. So we have to factorize, not solve. We can solve equations, not polynomials. Similar observation for Shyam Ganesh. Please check. It is not solution. It is factorization. Naveen and yeah, now you corrected that. So well done, friends. All of you who got that right. So let's see the next question. Okay, so this is the third question for today. I must tell you that the live stream will be consisting of at least 10 questions. So stay tuned till the end so that you learn a lot of things for today. Okay. See, this is question number 3. 28x square plus 3x minus 18. Okay, can we have this? Now again the problem complicates here. 28 and 18, large factors. We need to be careful now. Okay, only 8 likes on the video, friends. So many people watching. Take a while to click the like button, please. Okay, some people are coming up with the answer. Tushar, Chauhan, Shyam Ganesh, Ghanshyam Singh, Purusharth, everybody telling that the factors are 24 and minus 21, followed by Vasundhara, Indu. Okay, some factors also. Rajan Tiwari. Okay, Tushar first, then Rajan Tiwari. 7x plus 6 and 7x minus 3. Rajan Tiwari, you need to check that please. Both are starting with 7, so the polynomial cannot start with 28. A lot of answers coming in there, friends. Thanks for watching this and being an active member of the live stream. Do post the link among your friends so that they are also benefited and they can participate in the live stream, test their ability, compete against the best on the channel. Okay, let's see. This is 7 into 4. And this is 18 means this is 3 into 3, 9 into 2, 18. So you can split this also. But since this is 28, so this should be divisible by 7. So that is why I am separating 7 and trying to get the factors now. Okay. Now see, as I told you, you need to have a sum of 3 or a difference of 3. Now in this case, sum of 3 is highly unlikely because the numbers are quite large. So we will have a difference of 3 between the two numbers which we will be finding out. So the numbers which we will be finding out are basically one positive, one negative. Only then you will have the net result. Now for this, we need to convert all the 5 factors which are here. 5 factors are here, and these 5 factors have to be converted to 2 factors. Now see, the largest one here is 7 and the largest one here is 3. So I'll try that first. So 7 3s are 21 and what remains is 4 into 6, 24. Now you see 24 and 21 have a difference of 3. So our problem is solved. See, this is what I told you. Whenever you have a large number of factors, just consider the highest here and the highest here. Multiply them together and the remaining factors you multiply together. Whatever two numbers you obtain, it is highly likely then you get the difference or the sum as the required number here. So here also I have been successful in getting these two numbers very easily. Otherwise, if you multiply 28 and 18 then solve it, then it is going to consume a lot of time. So friends, 24 and 21 and the product is negative, so one of them has to be negative. But the middle term here is positive. So the larger one will be positive and smaller one will be negative. Now you can factorize it very easily. 28x square minus 21x plus 24x minus 18, and now take 7x common, so 4x minus 3. Okay, here 6 is common, so 4x minus 3. So we have the final answer here, 4x minus 3 and 7x plus 6. So that was the answer I was looking for in this question. And I've already announced a lot of people coming up with the answer first. And so the first person to give me the answer, let me just announce the name for motivation sake. This is Tushar Chauhan again, Shyam Ganesh, then Ghanshyam Singh, Purusharth, and Vasundhara Hindu. These were the top 6 people who gave the factors very, very quickly. And mind you, this was not a easy question because the numbers here involved are quite large. So let's have the next question going. The live stream is gearing up very well, but I need more replies, friends. A lot of people only watching but not posting the replies. Don't worry about errors. We can commit errors on the live stream. Don't worry, but we have to learn a lot of things on the live streams. Fine. I want to have the next question now. Okay, I'll have a question which is again little bit large. So let's have 20x square minus 51x and plus 27. Let's see this one, friends. Should be difficult. Why? Because the numbers involved are quite large. But if you are following my videos which I have posted recently, yesterday and today, the 2 live streams also, then you are going to solve it very easily. All students of class 8th and 9th, watch this series of videos. This is going to benefit you great deal in your future mathematics syllabus. Okay, fine. Sankanarayan telling me one answer there, but sign are different there. Okay, Shail Patel with a different answer. So 3 different answers there. That's quite quick, Vani Muthu. If that answer is correct, you deserve a lot of credit because this factorization is not easy. But Vani, just check one thing. If you have said that both the factors are positive, then we cannot have a negative term in between. So that should be wrong. Please check. Babita, I told yesterday also, this is not solution, this is factorization. Please factorize, don't solve. Okay, Rajan Tiwari with a different answer. So a lot of different answers now. We need to see which one of you is actually correct. Okay, only 7 or 8 people posting the answers, more than 35 people watching. Can we have more answers, more participation? And if you have not subscribed the channel till now, please do it. This is a channel for mathematics shortcuts and for learning various concepts of mathematics which prove a little bit difficult for the students. And I'll be conducting live streams for 10th class students. From Monday onwards, I'll be taking up topics which are important for class 10th board exams. And obviously, in competitions, you find all those chapters. So stay tuned on the channel for the live streams of class 10th syllabus also. Fine. Let me just take up this one now. See, this is okay. 20 has 3 factors, but 2 of them can be combined here. So a lot of answers now coming in. It's quite heartening to see. Okay. This is 9 into 3, 27. And this is 4 into 5. Either you can write 4 into 5 or you can write 2 into 2 into 5. So I'll write it as 4 into 5. You can convert this into 2 and this into 3 into 3. That will complicate the problem a little bit. Why? Because there is a large number in between. So whenever there is a large number in between, so you need to simplify it quite quite smartly there. So we have some answers, but many different answers are coming in. So you can watch the solution now. Now see, the largest number here is 9 and here it is 5. So 9 5 is 45. So what remains is 4 3 are 12. But 45 and 12, they will not give you 51. They will give you 57. So this 9 cannot be combined with 5 because the result is not 51. So I'll try and combine this 9 with 4 here. See, I told you when take the largest here and the largest here, but when we are taking the largest and converting them into two factors, then they are not giving me the central term by adding or subtracting. So I'll combine this with 4 now. So 9 4s are 36 and 5 3s are 15. And what is the sum of these two? It is 51, which is the exact thing which I want in the center. So 36 and 15. Now I have to decide the sign. Now see, the product is positive. So whenever the product is positive, either both are positive or both are negative. Now this term in the center is a negative term. And whenever the central term is negative and product is positive, then both the factors which you have decided here are negative. So we have a minus 36 and a minus 15 as the middle term split of this question. Quite a difficult question, but a lot of you got it right also. So I'm glad. So minus 36 or minus 15. And now take common. This is 5x. So 4x minus 3. And we have a minus here. So I'll take minus common. And 27 and 36 exist in the table of 9. That is, they have a HCF of 9. So 9 4s are 36 and plus gets converted into minus because I have taken minus common. So we have the answer 4x minus 3 and 5x minus 9. So friends, let me see who got this one right. It was not an easy question, but a lot of you got it right. And the first person to give me the right answer in terms of the factors was Sankar Narayan, very well done. And then Shyam Ganesh, amazing work. Then Vasundhara, I think you got 35 and 16, but it is actually 36 and 15. Maybe you typed it wrong there. Okay, then after that, after Vasundhara, it was Shail Patel, Indu. So all of them gave the correct answer for this one. Very, very well done, friends. Not an easy question, but you got it in a flash. So let's see the fifth question for today. Follow the method which I am telling you, and you are going to factorize everything quite smartly there. Okay, we have the fifth question now. 22x squared plus 41x minus 35. See the terms here. They are large terms, but you can do it. You can do it in 30 seconds time. Come on, friends, do it. Let me see who gives the answer correct for this one. So a lot of friends watching and trying to compete with the best on the channel. Let's see. 22x square plus 41x minus 35. Some answers already coming in. See, if the class 8th and 9th students, they can develop this speed with which you are giving me the factors, it will be amazing. And everybody who is appearing in 10 boards will be, it will be heartening to see that all the basics are clear. So a lot of students, they face problem in factorization, and if factorization chapter is not clear, then mathematics will be a headache for many. So a lot of answers there. Tushar Chauhan 55 and minus 14, followed by Ches Kumar, very well done. Sankar Narayan, Shyam Ganesh. Okay, Manoj, I think you got the sign wrong there. Pabita, you typed a 5 extra, maybe. Indu 55 and minus 14, good. So a lot of correct answers after that. So how do we get to the answer here? Very easy, friends. It is indeed very easy. But 90% of the students who who are trying to solve this for the first time, they will leave this question on seeing the quantities 22, 41, and 35, because the first thing they do here is to multiply 22 and 35, which is a crime. You cannot multiply first and the third term. You have to just factorize it then and there to get the answer. Friends, let me see whether you got it right or not. See, this is 2 and 11. 2 and 11, obviously, the product is 22 itself, and 35 is 7 and 5. Now, see, we have 4 prime factors: 2, 11, 7, 5. Now, as the rule goes, let me see whether the rule applies here or not. I need a sum or a difference of 41 plus 41, and the product is negative. Whenever the product is negative, then the larger number has to be positive and smaller has to be negative. So one number will be greater than 41 and the other one will be smaller than 41, and their difference should be 41. Now this is important. Whatever I told just now is very important. Now if I take 11 into 7, 77, and 5 into 2, 10. Now this is not going to give me 41. So cancel. 11 and 7 cannot be done. So whenever I combine the largest one here and the largest one here, this is not giving me the correct answer. So I will combine 11 with 5 now. So 11 with 7 has not given the correct answer. So combine 11 with 5, you get 55. And 7 with 2, you get 14. And see the difference now. 55 and 14, the difference is 41, which is the exact thing I want. So this is what is required, friends. Very important step. Tell students of class 8 and 9 to do it this way. They will feel comfortable in all kinds of factorizations. So let's see, 55 and 14. So obviously minus 14 and plus 55, because the middle term is positive. So the larger number has to be positive. So convert it now. Remaining steps can be very easy. You just need to clear the basics. So we have the final factorization form of the question: 2x plus 5 and 11x minus 7. Let me just check 55 and minus 14. This was the answer I was looking for. And 55 and minus 14, that answer came very quickly from Tushar Chauhan, Ches Kumar, Sankar Narayan, Shyam Ganesh, and I think after that Indu. So all familiar names on the channel, and it's quite difficult to compete with people who can factorize in hardly 4 to 5 seconds time. So let's see more questions of splitting the middle term. I'm complicating the problem. Yesterday's live stream, I took up numbers which were less than 20, and today's live stream has numbers greater than 20. So that is what happens, whenever you attend all the practice session, you can solve it in a logical manner. So friends, keep watching. This is 6th question for today, and I'm sure this one is going to trouble some of you. Okay, this is 27x square plus 21x minus 20. Okay, friends, get on with this one. 27x square plus 21x minus 20. So all numbers in 20s. Not a easy question, but the answer is not far away. Let me just check who can get this one correct. All the terms are greater than or equal to 20, and we need to split the middle term very quickly. Some different answers coming up. Ches Kumar is saying 30 and minus 9, followed by Tushar Chauhan 36 and minus 15. So anybody who is struggling with this concept can watch the previous videos, recent videos, which I posted yesterday and today. They can learn the art of splitting the middle term. That is one concept in which the students struggle. So let's see. got 5 or 6 answers there. And those who have split the middle term, they can factorize it and tell me the factors also. Let me just check whether your answer is correct or not. Okay, a lot of answers coming in for the factors also. 3x plus 4 and 9x minus 5, Tushar Chauhan. Followed by Indu, who is giving the same answer, followed by Vani. So 3 people giving me the answer for the factorization. Okay, Shabir Khan, you can check please. See the previous replies, the previous comments given by people there. Fine. If you have not seen the previous videos, you can still learn it. I am telling the method in every question. So this method is not taught at school level. They are being told that you have to multiply the first and the last coefficients and then factorize it. Never multiply the first and the last coefficient. You will have a number, big number, which will be difficult to factorize. Surgani Gopi, please don't give the solution, give the factorization. I need the factors, not the solution. Fine. This is 9 into 3, 27, and this is 5 into 4, 20. Fine. Now let's see the concept, whether we can get the answer from this one or not. See friends, this is 21 and the product is negative. So whenever the product is negative, we have a large number which is greater than 21 and a small number which is smaller than 21. The smaller number will be negative. Why? Because the middle term is positive, so the larger number has to be positive. Very important thing to understand here. And let's see the greater number here 9, greater number here 5. So 9 into 5 is 45 and 3 into 4 is 12. But 45 and 12, the sum or the difference is not going to give me 21. So I'll cancel this one and I'll go for 9 and 4 now. 9 into 4 is 36 and 5 into 3 is 15. Now do you observe? 36 minus 15 is the required number 21, which is mentioned in the middle term here. So 36 and minus 15 is what I was looking for. And suppose you multiply 27 and 20, you will have 540, which you will factorize. You will waste a lot of time. So don't do that. This is a small number 27, which can be factorized orally. So you have a factor here, you have factors here, convert them into 2 factors and then get on with the middle term splitting. So 36 minus 15. So remaining steps are quite easy. Plus 36 minus 15. So we have a 9 common, x common. So 3x plus 4, and see both the terms are negative, so minus will be common. And 15 and 20, the HCF is 5. So 3x negative converts to positive. So we have a 3x plus 4, and outside the bracket we have 9x minus 5, which is the exact answer given by Tushar Chauhan there. So you can learn a lot of things from Tushar, Purushart, Indu, Shyam Ganesh, Manoj, all are prominent viewers of the channel. They have been great supporters of the channel and always participating so actively. So let's see more questions for middle term splitting. The problems are getting complicated now. So let's have the 7th question. Okay, this is 39x square. So I'm increasing the terms now. This is 39 now. Minus 59x minus 10. Okay, little bit difficult, but the answer is not difficult. Answer will be obtained very easily if you can watch all the videos yesterday and today which I have posted. I have told you each and every concept. Shyam Ganesh, thanks for the appeal there. I keep on telling my friends to click the like button, subscribe button, so that more people can be benefited by this amazing live stream. Okay, some answers already coming in there. Hardly 7 to 8 seconds time, and I have some answers. Chess Kumar, Okay, 7 and minus 1. Okay, I think you are commenting on some other comment there. Okay, Mudit Mohan saying minus 15 and 6. Okay, minus 65 and 6. Sorry for that. Manoj Kumar saying 65 and minus 6. Please check, Manoj. 65 and minus 6 will give a sum of plus 59, whereas we have a minus 59 here. So everybody who has said 65 and minus 6, please review your comment. Kiran, please check. Tushar, Manoj, please check your comment. Minus 59. I need a minus 59. So this is what happens, when you get the sign wrong, then the final solution cannot be correct. Well, lot of people giving me the answer for this one. And PR support, please don't give the answer in decimals. I need factors, not the solutions. These are not quadratic equations. These are quadratic polynomials which have to be factorized. So I just need the factor form. Okay, anybody, other people, anyone willing to give more answers? Okay, let's see. Now see, this is very easy splitting of this 39 into two factors, 13 and 3, and this is also very easy, 2 and 5. Now the factors are on the next step. 13 and 5, these are the largest numbers. So 13 into 5 is 65 and 3 into 2 is 6. And now see, the difference of these two numbers is 59 indeed. So 65 and 6, those were the two numbers. And how much time will you take with the traditional method, friends? This is what happens when you are aware of the exact method of solving. A lot of things go right for you. So I've taken the highest number here, 13, and the highest number here, and I've got to the solution very, very easily. So 65 and 6. Now I need to see the sign of these two factors. So to see the sign of these two factors, see that the product of these two numbers is negative. So whenever the product is negative, one number has to be negative and the other number has to be positive. Which number will be negative? That depends on the sign of the middle term. Middle term is negative, so the larger number will be negative. If the middle term is positive, then larger number will be positive. That is a simple rule you need to understand for this one. So since this is negative, I'll have the negative with the larger number and positive with the smaller number. And here I have the middle term split of 59. Traditional method will not help you, friends, here. This is the thing you need to understand, that a lot of time is saved when you watch all these videos. These are practice sessions just designed for students of class 8, 9th and competitive exams, so that they can save a lot of time in competitions and get to the correct answer very quickly. So friends, 60 minus 65 and 6, I am factorizing it just for your convenience. Minus 65 plus 6. Now 13 is the HCF of these two numbers. So 13x, 3x minus 5 plus 2, 3x minus 5. So 3x minus 5 is the first factor, followed by 13x plus 2 as the second factor. So see the factorization of this. How much time you are going to take to factorize this, friends? After watching this video, hardly 10 to 15 seconds time. And in 10 to 15 seconds time, students will be busy multiplying this and factorizing the large number. So friends, this is what happens, And let me just check up who gave the answer correct first up for this one. 65 and minus 6, that was the answer I was looking for. And that answer came very quickly. That is minus 65 and 6. From Mudit Mohan this time. Very well done, Mudit Mohan. I'm glad some other person has given the answer now. Chess Kumar, you deleted one comment but added the right reply after that. Very, very well done. Shal Patel, another name who has been amazing today on the live stream. Then Ghanshyam Singh and Tushar Chauhan. I don't need to mention your name, friend. Okay, fine. Let's have the 8th question going now. Things are shaping up very well, and a lot of people are participating, and now the problems are getting tougher. So let's see. This is question number 8. I'll have a little bit higher coefficients. Don't worry, you will have the answer very quickly. So this is 45x squared. So I'm complicating things now. See, from 30, 50. Now 40 plus 57x minus 4. Friends, get on with this one. 45x square plus 57x minus 4. All those who have joined in today, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Do promote it among your contacts and use the super chat option if you want to highlight your comment. You can see the super chat option. Okay, one answer already coming in. Hardly 6 to 7 seconds. I need the factors also, please. 2 more questions to come after this, friends. Stay tuned till the last. Divakar Murthy, I've seen you after a long time. Fine, 60 and minus 3 is the answer I'm getting. And if that is right, Mudit Mohan again is rocking, posing a great competition. Shyam Ganesh has been very good today. Mahinder Singh, 60 and minus 3, same answer, PR support. Okay. Shal Patel, Divakar Murthy. So no different answers. I'm getting the same answer from everybody. PR support. You need to check your factorization part. X minus 60 and x plus 3 will not give you 45x square. Fine. Pabita, 15x minus 1 and 3x plus 4 seems to be correct. And if that is correct, you got the factorization part correct first. Mudit Mohan, same answer. Gauri Shankar, you need to check your answer, please. I think you have not seen the previous video posted yesterday and today. Please watch that video to have a grasp over the concept which is being used to split the middle term easily. That is for Gauri Shankar. Tushar Chauhan, again sign is wrong there. Please check the factorization part. If you say everything is positive, then we cannot have a negative term in the question. Kiran, 60 and minus 3, good. Abida, 60 and minus 3, very well done. Okay, let's see. This is 15 into 3, 45, and 4 is obviously 2 into 2. Now see, if you combine 15 with 2, you will have 30 and 6 will not give you 57. So let me combine these two and combine this with the highest number here, 15 for the 60 and 3. Very less combinations possible for this one and very easy answer because the difference has to be 57. So one number has to be greater. If you multiply 15 by any of this, you are not going to get a number greater than 57. Only happens only when you multiply these two together and then multiply it with 15. So 15 into 460 and 3, central term is positive. So larger number has to be positive and smaller will be negative because the product is negative. I've been telling that concept in every question. So all those who have joined in late, they can understand. So 45x squared plus 60x minus 3x minus 4. So you have the HCF of 45 and 60 as 15. So 15x, 3x plus 4 and 3x. See, the same terms are here but with negative sign. So negative 1 will be common and 3x plus 4 will come in the second bracket. So the final factorization form is 3x plus 4 in one bracket and 15x minus 1 in the second bracket. So that's the answer I was looking for. And this time, I think Mudit Mohan, you got the answer correct very quickly. And a lot of answers after that. So well done, friends. Fine. Okay, so we can take 9 and 5 also. 9 and 5. 9 and 5. Enjoy and learn. The person with the ID, enjoy and learn. Sir, we can take 9 and 5. I don't know which question you are talking about. 45 and 4 is 180. So you need to have a product of 180 and a sum or difference of 57. So that is what is the concept. Friends, let's have the penultimate question. This is question number 9 for today. I'm expecting some good participation for this question. Okay, this is 26x square plus 51x minus 35. See, let's have this one. 26x square plus 51 minus 35 plus 51x minus 35. Not a difficult question. I have given one question of this kind before. Great. Mudit Mohan, Tushar Chauhan, Shyam Ganesh, Shail Patel, Manoj Kumar coming up with the correct answer in hardly 4 to 5 seconds time. That's amazing work. So we have a 13 and a 2 here, 26, and 7 and a 5 here. Very, very simple question. Now 13 and 7 will give us a very large number as compared to 51. So I'll not go with 13 and 7. I'll go with 13 and 5, which will give me 65, and 7 to the 14. That is the answer I was looking for, because the difference of 65 and 14 is 51. Middle term is positive, so larger will be positive and smaller will be negative. So we have the answer 26x square plus 65x minus 14x minus 35, which you can factorize now very easily to get to 13x, 2x plus 5 minus 7, 2x plus 5, and the answer will be 2x plus 5 and 13x minus 7. Great work there. 5 people whose name I have taken. Very, very well done, friends. So final question for today. This question will not be an easy one, and this will check you all. Let's see. The 10th question and the final one for today. Don't worry about the quantities, just get on with the factorization. Very simple. I'm sure you will get this one. 51x square is a large number, don't worry. Plus 110x minus 21. So friends, a question which can scare anybody, but I am sure those who have seen the videos yesterday and today, they will get the answer very quickly. So those who are still struggling to just grasp the question, they can see the live comments there. Lot of correct answers coming in very quickly. And the friends who have joined in late, they can watch the video from the beginning. As soon as it is completed, the live stream, we will have this uploaded on the channel, and you can watch it anytime as per your convenience and test your skills against the best people on the channel, those who are actively participating in the live stream. Fine, lot of answers coming in again. 119 minus 9, that's amazing work there. Shyam Ganesh, very well done. Tushar Chauhan, Manoj Kumar, everybody is giving me the correct answer, and that too in very, very less time. Followed by Mudit Mohan, he has been amazing today. Shail Patel, very well done. 5 people giving me the correct answer. Kiran also, finally, 119 minus 9. Now, how did you get 119 minus 9? Let's see. This is 17 into 3. And this is 7 into 3. Very easy. Now see the number. If you see the number, you will know which numbers to multiply. The Difference has to be 110. So we need to multiply the large numbers. 17 into 7 is 119 and 3 into 3 is 9. And there we have the difference 110. Friends, post this video to all students who are studying in class 8th, 9th. They do struggle at school level to find the factors of these. I get hundreds of queries regarding, sir, how do we factorize the quadratic polynomial by splitting the middle term? How do we find the two terms? Do help those students. Tell them that this is available on this channel. So let's see, 119 and 9. This is positive, so larger number is positive and smaller is negative because the product is negative. So we have the factorization 51x squared plus 119x minus 9x minus 21. So this is 17x. So 17x will give us 3x and this is 7. So here we have 3 common. So 3x plus 7 again. So the final answer 3x plus 7 and 17x minus 3. That was the answer I was looking for this final question of factorization today. So well done, friends. A lot of good answers there. And I, I don't mind Divakar Murthy. I know you have been watching all the videos on the channel and you have been a great supporter there. So friends, don't worry. Manoj Kumar, these videos and methods I've never seen before, so happy to use the easy method. Thanks for that, Manoj. I need some motivation from you people who are sharing the channel link with the students. Tushar, tomorrow, Tushar, I'll try at 7 p.m. You can you can watch your notification. If it is there, I'll be there tomorrow also. Let's see. Indu, don't worry. I know you have been a great supporter. Fine. Friends, these 10 questions, they were not easy. And if I have conducted a live stream of 56 minutes and solved 10 questions by explaining each and everything, reading your comments, waiting for your replies, giving the introduction, then these questions, 10 questions can be solved in hardly 3 to 4 minutes time. I know people who can really, okay. A lot of people asking me to give one more question. So let's see. Okay, never mind. We'll have one more question, final question. Because I know those who have attained mastery over this concept, they will be enjoying this live stream. So let's see. One more question for you all. This is 45x square minus 71x plus 28. Fine. Again, not a easy one, friends. Just try not to commit an error. Try not to commit an error, friends. Just waiting for the correct answer because no takers yet. Okay, some answers are coming in. Just 29 likes on the video. I need 129 likes, friends. A lot of people watching and not clicking the like button. Ankush Sharma, both sign cannot be plus here because the sum has to be negative. So you have not seen the previous videos. Please see your videos, the videos which I have posted. Tomorrow also I'll be posting part 3. Abida Shakir, thanks for watching. And I'm sure you must be enjoying all the live streams which I have been doing on the channel. And do promote the channel among your friends so that even they can be benefited. Fine. Let's see how many of you got that one correct. A lot of people posting the replies there. And the prominent answer I'm getting is minus 36 and minus 35. The first one came from Shyam Ganesh, followed by Manoj Kumar, Tushar Chauhan, all familiar names, Indu, and Kiran. So all five familiar names there. So no other takers for this one. They have given me the factorized form also. 9x minus 7 and 5x minus 4. Amazing work there by Mahinder Singh, Manoj Kumar, Divakar, Indu, Gauri Shankar. Gauri Shankar, I think you typed 5x minus 7 there. I think it's 4. Please check. Fine. So let's see. This is 9 into 5, 45. And this is 7 into 4, 28. Now, I told you I go with larger numbers first. But again, there is a problem. Why? Because 9 and 7 will give you 63. And 5 and 4 will give you 20. And these two numbers are not going to give you 71. So I cancel this one. Now I will try and combine 9 with 4. So 9 4s are 36 and 7 5s are 35, and there we are, 36 and 35. The sum of these two numbers is minus 71. So both the terms have to be negative because the product is positive and the middle term is negative. So minus 36 and minus 35. So 45x square minus 36x minus 35x plus 28. Now you can take common 36 and 45. The HCF is 9 followed by x. So we have a 5x minus 4. And in these two, you have a 7 common and a minus. Then 5x minus 4. So we have a 5x minus 4 as the first factor and 9x minus 7 as the second factor. Friends, I hope you have enjoyed this live stream. I extended the session by 5 minutes more so that you can get one more question. Never mind. I hope you have enjoyed, and do post this video link with share it with your friends on WhatsApp groups also, so that a lot of people can be benefited by these amazing shortcuts. Friends, thanks for watching, and it's Suresh Aggarwal signing off for today. And finally, let me tell you, part 3 will be posted tomorrow. Do stay tuned for that. Good night. God bless everybody.